This 2019 Forest River Tracer Breeze 24 DBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, smoke detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, spare tire kit, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Tracer Breeze 24 DBS is 4,940 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.